If your furnace breaks down in Simcoe County, you want two answers fast. What's wrong and what will it cost? Here are 5 of the most common furnace problems we see, plus typical repair costs and what affects the price. Number 1, furnace won't turn on. The most common fix for this is the ignition system or the control board. The typical cost is between $300 and $950, and the price depends on the furnace age, the brand, and whether it's an igniter or a full control board that you need. Number 2, furnace runs but no heat. Most common fix is flame sensor, igniter, or the gas valve. Typical cost is between $300 and $900, and this price depends on what part is needed and whether it's a gas valve or the sensor repair. Number 3, furnace blows cold air after a few minutes. So it starts warm, then it turns cold. Typical fix for this is a high limit switch or could be an airflow correction. Typical cost is between $275 and $750. Then this price depends on whether there's airflow issues versus blower-related repairs. Number 4, if your furnace short cycles and turns on and off every few minutes. Typical fix for this is either a pressure switch or a flame sensor service. Typical cost is between $275 and $800. Price depends on whether it's sensor cleaning or part replacement or thermostat issues. And the last one is when you have high gas bills but your furnace still works. Typical fix for this is either having a furnace tune-up or get your airflow corrected. Typical cost is between $175 and $550. This price depends on whether it's cleaning only or whether you need parts or airflow adjustments. If you're having any issues with your furnace, call Affordable Comfort today. We make home comfort easy.